When we speak of twin flames, many people liken that to what is more commonly known as a soulmate. But from a spiritual perspective, those are in essence two completely different things. A twin flame is almost, how can I explain this in earth plane terms? A twin flame would be literally your other half. And I am not at all speaking romantically when I speak of twin flames. Happens most often in the case of a twin flame relationship is that these twin flames very rarely incarnate together at the same time. Many times one is on this side and the other is on your side for guidance purposes for many of you. And I won't say this is 100% of the time, because what you will find in the spiritual realms is that nothing is 100% except that energy and love never die. That is the only guarantee, the only 100%. So this next comment I make is not 100%, but you will find, many of you, that one of your guides is actually that twin flame for you. And again, I do not mean this in a romantic sense. The intensity of the energy between twin flames is so strong that it would not behoove you, most of the time, to have an incarnation with this particular individual. Now I'm going to take this down a notch and explain to you what I understand as soulmates. And again, when I use the word soulmate, I do not necessarily mean this in a romantic sense. We have many soulmates over the course of not only a physical lifetime, but also life here in the spirit world. And soulmates are people who are in our soul families, our loved ones, our friends. Let me tell you how you can gauge if someone is a soulmate. Soulmates are people that you love the most, your closest friends, and also many times your worst enemies. Those people who come into life, as you may perceive it, to make it miserable. These people can be found in our families. These people can be found at our jobs. They can be found everywhere, but they are in our lives not necessarily to enrich it, but to become teachers for us. A way for us to see ourselves. Do you know people that you deem as enemies or very negative are personifications of the things within yourself that you hate the most? So when you encounter people like that, do not try to seek revenge. Do not say eye for an eye. That does not work. Instead, go within yourself and ask yourself, what part of me is resisting this person? Because trust me, it's in there. That was a long answer to your question. That would be my understanding, my answer.